Today, we're going to talk about Nnamdi Kanu. We will concentrate on waiting many people, will be Igbo people, will be Ijaw people. They talk about Nnamdi Kanu. And this thing, they make me vex. Because you be APC, you are party where you did. APC person, the party where you did is supposed to be equal with another person where they inside APC. But they don't treat you equal. They don't even know say you did the party. They don't even care about you. You from Bayelsa, you did APC. You from Imo, you did APC. You from Anambra, you did APC. Nobody care about you. If to say they care about you, then for no say APC, Buhari for no say APC person. Suppose stay for an NPC for the list of the people we appoint. They all you know from in place. If suppose no say, as in they carry a railway 5-point-something billion dollars in the carry railway go waiting the color Daura if for carry and go your village in Kanu in Odua. You are all not to defend, to kill your people. And you say you don't be traitor. Buhari come back. You dey post for your wall. Ask somebody, say Buhari come back alive. No be Buhari, that thing where them bring. That's something where them bring from London. As them bring am, you post for your wall, you be man. Somebody go down, they drink water waiting for say, if say Buhari come back, you go drink water, they drink, you know talk. But if you see somebody go bow down for Nnamdi Kanu, na big problem. Nnamdi Kanu won't make people slave. But nothing dey wrong. If Tinubu go bow down for Buhari, it's okay. You show the picture. Tinubu, the respect that they have for Buhari, the support that they have for Buhari cannot be surpassed by any other individual. And you think that your head is correct. You be Boma, you be Chito Konkwo, you be Igwe, you be John Man, you be Akiodi, you be Fine Bone. Nnamdi Kanu might be a problem now. But somebody go like this, bow down flat for one man will say in the other. We call himself KBC, we call himself anything. That was no problem. Because nobody Nnamdi Kanu. Yes, as a person, I don't feel bow down for anybody. I don't feel bow down for anybody. Because I be a mockery. A mockery no dey bow down for another human being. And as a Muslim, I know that allow another person bow down for me. But the same way you condemn the people bowing down for Nnamdi Kanu, it's the same way you condemn others when they bow down. So it's your problem. Nnamdi Kanu is your problem. Every day you post on your wall, the pastor is killed. You say, oh, Nnamdi Kanu. Hey, Nnamdi Kanu they preach. Meanwhile, a Catholic pastor. Meanwhile, majority of people are Catholic. If Nnamdi Kanu say, make Igbo people no go church, where other people from other places they pastor because they pack their money go. No be true talk, na lie talk. We should be sincere with ourselves now. In our heart of hearts. So what is the gain where you get for the APC, for the follow? The time where they say they pass that sentence on all of us, then exempt you. So, Nnamdi Kanu, IPOB, I make, I then pass that sentence. You be fool. You be fool. You be a fool of the highest order. Abantu, now you be. See, and it's so irritating when you see this thing. So irritating when they do it. And you think that you are not a traitor to the cause of the Igbo people. What better way, what better alternative do you have from what we have today? The situation in which we are today. Buhari makes appointment to destroy his area. He gives it to his people. He does not even cast a passing glance at Rochas. He does not cast a passing glance at Tinubu Silva. He does not cast a passing glance at Ngige. He does not even give a damn whether it exists or not. He does his own thing. When he has finished, small one is sprinkle it. Bam, bam, bam. You are posting on your wall. You are Igbo man. You are posting on your wall. Lagos is generating a lot of revenue. Where does this revenue come from? Totafina Health is in Lagos. Where is there any oil field? The fake one, they took our OML and gave it to Fulani and said it is Lagos. When we Biafra is free, we will know where that one is there. I think they said they are in oil. They've discovered oil in the Shadi Basin, and then you are celebrating. Everything against us is what you celebrate. Chevron Tesako, headquarters is in Lagos. They are paying tax. They are drinking. They go to the hotel. All their staffs are in the hotels. They pay VAT. Where does the VAT go to? It goes to Lagos. Lagos is there. What does Lagos do? What does Lagos have? It is our resources, and you're in support of it. You are celebrating it, and you think you are deceiving the people. You fight against your people. Osei Tutu said, "It's only a bastard." Osei Tutu, the Ashanti Hermit, the man who fought the British, who fought the European adventurers. They said it's only a bastard who used his left hand to point his father's land. His left hand to point his father's land. You are using your left hand to point your father's land because you think Buhari, 2 years has passed. What change has Buhari brought to your life? What change has Buhari brought to your life? What change has Buhari brought to your life? What change? Me, I still enjoy and they shop and they tear up and they buy car. You take that they suffer. Poverty won't kill you. They support Buhari as a traitor, as an influential Namashobiri. Namashobiri. Yeah. Now, Nnamdi Kanu be a problem. Nnamdi Kanu people bow for you. Nnamdi Kanu call you to bow for him. People bow for him. They don't bow for me. They don't bow for Sudan. They don't bow for Buhari. They don't even drink water. They drink water. They got our water for Buhari. You are not condemn Buhari. Who is Buhari? Who is it? He entire army. What is the army? Abraham could become head of state. In contest election, kill people. One man way saying no one trouble. Good luck, allow him to the election win. Now if the credentials say Buhari get we no go hear something. Wetin be the credentials? You know they see your farmer there. No they see other people. They dey on the same level. If they talk president for this or that, but that thing Buhari like the president. Wetin be qualification? Wetin be Buhari hold wey go fit say this na human being wey don do something? Wetin be? You know the shame. You sell your people. How can you compare Nnamdi with Buhari? That thing, Buhari. How can you? Where? How can they be bring two of them down? Make Nnamdi speak Igbo. Make Buhari speak Hausa. Then the PP, two of them now on equal. Igbo, listen, I am made them speak the language English. We colonize us, so give power to Buhari then. Now that time they go say Buhari is not an English man, but he want to be German. Now outside you carry room. People just stay. Hey, Nnamdi is going to be arrested, as Buhari not been arrested before. And nothing will happen. You keep on pushing people. You keep on pushing people. And you believe that only one man can kill. What is annoying is that they believe only Buhari can kill. He has the power to kill. He has the power of life and death. He don't get. He don't get. Because I know push people for this wall. Because I know push people for this wall. Because if I push people for this wall, we say we don't see pass through the wall. We go to do. When the time comes to become, the apple will happen and the wall will not end. Going out to King Kong. Now killing with one chicken. In the village. See, I'm not doing something. See, I'm not doing something. See, I'm saying. I mean, I'm going to go and I said, but I'm going to wait. Where are the talking? What are you doing? Okay. Orang ni sama lah pakai ane mana pakai ni pak? Baik mana pakai ala mana? Orang apa pakai ni? Orang pakai ni? Papa tu ni. You talk for destruction, they say they don't want. You talk this one, they don't want. They give their children appointment for inland railway. They give you. Chico Concord they give you. Give what they give you. I told you, not every appointment, they give you. They get people for central bank, they give you. They give their children, they give you. They don't put people for 9 pieces, they give you. Fool. You don't get sense. Now Nnamdi Kanu be a problem. Now Nnamdi Kanu be a problem. They told me straight. They do this one. They sani. And bring the Zani to try. I say no. Man, look. There is a time. Every traitor will be paid in a millionfold for his treachery against his own people. Every traitor. Nnamdi Kanu should not be a problem. Nnamdi Kanu is in the struggle. He's in the struggle for liberation of his people. First of all, for liberation of himself. And liberation of his people. And people have chosen to follow him. If you are not following him, just keep quiet and go and do your own. Let it not be an issue for you. Because see, you are not an issue for him. But you come in and become. Why? Who knows that Nnamdi Kanu will come? Nobody knows. I didn't know, you didn't know. But the Buhari, they created Nnamdi Kanu. Buhari is not the most strongest human being on earth. We have seen so many people. Where Hitler go? Where Hitler go? Apartheid system, where it fall? Where is the British Empire? Where is the Soviet Union? Where is the Roman Empire? We don't see a lot of things. Nnamdi Kanu, whether they bow for him or they don't bow for him, it's none of your business. Because if you are talking, if you have sense, if you talk about Nnamdi Kanu bow, you go talk when they bow down for one man called Onu, when they bow down for one man called Suka, when they bow down for that thing they call Buhari. That they brought from London. You don't talk all those Nnamdi Kanu won't like their problem. Nnamdi Kanu is on a cause that will bring salvation, independence, freedom, and dignity back to our people. If you don't agree with him, just keep quiet. Because very soon you will come. We are marking all of you. We are marking all of you. All of you who think that by trading with us, by being a level, you are going to gain. Whether you are a Kokweo, you are Hausa Kweo, whatever you call yourself, be talking. You say you are intellectual. I don't see anything intellectual about you. If you want to debate, I am ready to debate with you on all issues. And you tell me why Lagos is better. Let there be a level playing field and let all the companies return to where they are. Whether Lagos will be what it is. Lagos is like a sucking blood, a tarantula sucking on the blood of the people of the South and the Southeast. You are talking about Lagos. What does Lagos have? You are talking about Lagos sucking on our blood. Instead of our political leaders to stand up and defend and say, you don't get no certificate of occupancy for you. If you don't bring your headquarters, no certificate, revoke, when we say land use act is in the hands of people, revoke all the certificate of occupancy of these companies. And tell them, and then there will be a collision between this heavy government in Abuja and the government in Port Harcourt, the government in Yoruba, the government in Asari, the government in Ido, the government in Owerri. Revoke all the certificate of occupancy of their flow station. Revoke all the certificate of occupancy of everything. If they don't come back, if those of you who are doing, who believe in Nigeria, do that first. Instead of coming to talk. When you do that, they will sit up. There will be constitutional crisis. They cannot arrest you. The House of Assembly should pass law revoking and let the people occupy their place. Nnamdi Kanu should not be a problem. Nnamdi Kanu has shown the way. He's a human being. And what he has done, there is no living Igbo man, dead or alive, that has done as much as what Nnamdi Kanu has done in these 2 years. And those of us who appreciate it will continue to appreciate it. Not because he will give us anything or anything. He has nothing to give us. But we know that what he is doing, the benefit of it, will not only be for us, but it will be for all of us. And will benefit immensely, including you, your children, with all the sabotage, all the tongues you are putting on the way. Nnamdi Kanu is a man to be respected.